Do subscribe our Techno Guru class channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hey, hi friends, this is Hitesh here. Welcome to our Techno Guru class and to the Python for Beginners series. Here in this tutorial, I'll tell you about tuples. Okay, in my previous video, I just told you what is list. So here, I'll just introduce you about tuples. What is tuples? How basically the tuples are created. Okay, what is the syntax? These are all things I'll cover here. Let's say I have tup1. I'll take one variable as it is tuple. Um, Tuples, whatever you are storing in tuples, that should be basically inside closed round braces. Okay, so that way round brackets. So it's the same. Like if I want to store some values, like say 1 2 3. Okay, so these are my values that I stored in tuple, and it should be separated by comma. Same. Okay, if you just display that it's tup1. Okay, if you display that, you'll get over here the values over here, like 1 2 3. Let's say if you want to convert this tuple into list, so that is one function, guys. You can do that. I can just, what you do is list of tup one. Okay, and you can just store a variable. Let's say I'll take one variable over here, like var. Okay, so this is one variable where I'll just convert my tuple into list. Okay, and if I try to display that, you can see it is converted into list. So you can do vice versa, guys. Like if you have a var variable which is of type list, you can convert it into tuple. So you can say just tuple of var. So you'll get that converted into basically tuple. Okay, so that way the concept is here. Each element is identified by its index. Okay, so let's say if I want to write tup1, but yeah, this should be in square braces, guys. If you are just specifying index, it should be in square brackets. So if I press enter, you can see the 0th index I have 1. So same, like if you write tup1 of 2, and if you display, you'll get the second index value, that is 3. It's quite cool over here. And one more thing, if you just try to change the value, like let's say if I want to change the value of first index, I want to make it 10. Okay, so it will give error. Why? Because, sorry, my mistake. This top one. Okay, 10. Yeah, you can see. Still, it's giving me error. Previously, I just wrote top. It's not top. It's top one. Okay. I'm trying to change the value of first index. Okay, but it will not allow me because tuple does not support item assignment. I mean, like I just told you in the list section only. List is mutable and tuple is immutable. Immutable means you can, once the value is defined, you cannot change that value. Okay, so that's what the concept is. So here it is not possible that way. Okay, let's say I just take another tuple. Let's say I'll have um, these all values, so I'll just mention 10. Okay, this, oh, just copy this, just minimize this for you. Yeah, good. Scroll down and paste over here. That's same command, but you know what I have to do is I'll just put equal to over here. Okay, so this is my tuple. If I press enter and if I just try to display that up to, you can see you'll get this value. Same as you did some functions for a list, the same function that you can use max, min, you can do all this stuffs over here. Okay, and like if you want to find the length of that tuple, you can do that. Even you can just see over here. Okay, so these all functions you can implement over here. You cannot do append or you cannot add anything in that. Okay, even you can do some operations in that, like if you have tup1, you know what you have in tup1 you have some values you just saw, it's 1 2 3. Okay, and in tup2 you have something like 1 5 2 3 10. Okay, so if you just try to add these two values, you'll get a new tuple. Okay, you can see even store this where this output in one variable. So you just, what you have to do is tup3 equals to tup1 plus tup2. So that way you'll get this two tuples addition into another tuple. Okay, so that's what the concept is. You can do operations in that, in this. Even you can do slicing, guys, like as I did for a list, the same over here. Like if you want like tup 2 should give me values from 2 to 5th index. So it's not 2 to 5, it will be giving from 2 till 4. So 2, 3, 4. I mean, from the second, third, and fourth index. So if you want up to here is, oh, here it is. So 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's what the concept is. Even you can just define the negative value, I mean like negative indexing concept. If you saw my slicing concept, slicing tutorial of string, so you will understand what I'm trying to tell you this. If you didn't, so you just see that video first. Okay, you just watch that and then you'll understand. So oh, what's mistake, so same tab 2. Okay, at top there is no such variable. So you can see, so top 2 you'll get this value, that is the last value is the -1, and you know -2, -3, so on that way. So this much, it's this much in tuple. There is some key difference, guys. I'll just repeat this. It's list is mutable and tuple is immutable. So you cannot change any values in tuple once it is initialized. Okay, whereas in list you can append, you can change, you can extend. So all things are possible over there. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this. In my next video, I'll tell you what is dictionary in Python.